Hi all, welcome back to Mom and Me Bombs. In today's video, we are showing how to make a 2-in-1 cake, that is granadilla lemon cake. Also, we are showing how to make a loaf cake. Granadilla belongs to the family of passion fruit and is a fruit which has vitamin C, B3, phosphorus, iron and calcium. Lemon is a fruit which boosts the immune system and is full of vitamin C, calcium and other nutrients. See, this is granadilla or otherwise known as giant passion fruit. See, we are just showing you how to take out the pulp from it to make the cake. We have earlier uploaded a video about this granadilla and the link is given in the description box. See, this pulp has to be blended and then it has to be filtered to get the juice. It has lots of seeds in it. See, the granadilla juice is ready. Keeping the juice aside, spread butter paper or grease a 8-inch or 9-inch pan and keep that aside. Here are the ingredients we used for this cake. Ingredients for syrup and frosting. For making a lemon cake, please watch till the end. Sift 3 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 4 teaspoons of baking powder and 3/4 teaspoon of salt into a bowl and keep that aside. In between, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. This cake is perfect for the spring and summer, packed with lemon flavor, easy to prepare, really dedicated to lemon or passion fruit lovers. It's fancy, beautiful and delicious. Sifting the flour aerates it, creating an overall fluffier cake. Into a bowl, take 1 cup of unsalted softened butter and into that add 2 cups of powdered sugar. You can use granulated sugar also, but using powdered sugar is more better to get a soft texture for the cake. Then whisk this using a hand mixture. Whisk this until it's fluffy and pale. This will take 10 minutes. Into that add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence powder or liquid. Now here we are showing how to make the lemon zest which is to be used for making the cake. We have to take lemon zest of 3 lemons. The zest is taken by grating the outer skin of the lemon. Now add little lemon zest and keep the remaining portion for garnishing. Take care not to add too much of lemon zest or else the cake will become sour. Mix well. Next, take the eggs and add one by one. Continue mixing for 1 minute while adding each egg. Here we are adding 6 medium-sized eggs. It should be in room temperature. If you liked our recipe, please do not forget to share it with your family and friends. And please click on the like button. It encourages us a lot. After mixing all the eggs, it will look like this. The batter will look like this. Scrape down from the side of the bowl and whisk again. Add the sifted flour mixture which we kept aside little by little and mix until just combine using low speed. Overmixing will not help in getting a good texture for the cake. To make a lemon cake in this recipe, just avoid wherever granadilla or passion fruit is used. We tried with granadilla because we have it in our garden. If you get a chance to buy one, just try with it. It is really a unique taste. Add 1 cup of yogurt which is kept in room temperature. Four tablespoons of lemon juice. 6 tablespoons of granadilla juice which we showed first in the video. Mix. Two tablespoons of passion fruit seeds and little cinnamon powder. This passion fruit seeds can be got from the granadilla or the normal passion fruit which is available in the market. Adding this passion fruit gives a special taste to the cake. It's not a must to add it, it's just optional. Add the remaining flour mixture and mix just to combine using a spatula. After that, using the electric hand mixture, just combine the whole batter. Pour the batter into the lined or greased pan, that is 8-inch or 9-inch pan. Then tap it to remove the air bubbles. Here we are showing the ingredients for a loaf cake which comes to half kg cake. Ingredients for syrup and frosting. For this 3.5 into 11-inch pan can be used. Bake in a preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean. For making the syrup, into a bowl add half cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of granadilla juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Heat this gently until the sugar dissolves. Add 1 tablespoon of passion fruit seeds and mix it. The syrup is ready. It will look like this. By this time our cake is ready. See, it will look like this. Now, while it's still hot, flip it into a plate and remove the lining or butter paper. If you have greased the pan, there is no need of this. Just flip it on a plate like the way we are showing here. It's looking lovely, right? Be careful while removing the butter paper. After removing the butter paper, just flip it once again. While the cake is still hot, poke holes in the cake using a skewer as we are showing here. It should be done when the cake is still hot. We have to pour the syrup which we made on top of this and brush it evenly. The holes are made for that so that the syrup enters into the cake. And it enters into the cake only when it is hot. So after pouring the syrup, keep it aside to cool. The syrup not only enhances the lemon flavor but also helps to keep the cake moist. It's tempting, but there's still more to go. Without this, the cake won't be complete. Now for frosting, into a bowl, mix 1 cup of powdered sugar and into that add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of granadilla juice. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then mix this properly. We can mix this till the sugar dissolves, and you can add more sugar or juice if needed. So that's why in the ingredients I have written 2 cups of powdered sugar. Here I added more. It should come into a thick consistency as we are showing here. If you love the sour taste of lime, you can add more lemon juice. Pour this frosting on the cake as shown here. It should be poured evenly. Then spread it with the back of the spoon if needed. This cake is packed with lemon and passion fruit flavor. It's super moist and soft. A definite must try to those who love lemon and passion fruit. As mentioned earlier in the ingredients, avoid passion fruit and granadilla and your lemon cake will be ready. All the other ingredients are the same. For the loaf cake, do the same. Coming to the last portion, sprinkle the remaining lemon zest on top. Garnish with passion fruit seeds. This is not necessarily, but as I said earlier, the taste of this seeds will make it more tastier. Here comes our lemon granadilla cake. Same way, garnish the loaf cake. This cake is just superb. It has an entirely different taste, not the normal cakes we find in the market. Once it's cool, slice the loaf and serve it with tea or your favorite drink. Place this in an airtight container and keep it at room temperature. It is best consumed within 3 days. Please do comment. Suggestions are always welcome. We value them. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.